Hey, I'm Jude from AppsFlyer. Welcome back to Marketing Decoded, your source of all things digital marketing. In this video, we'll talk about ad exchanges, what they are, why they're important, and how they work. If you already know what an ad exchange is, make sure to check out the links in the description below to dive deeper. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. An ad exchange is a digital marketplace where advertising inventory is bought and sold across websites, mobile sites, and mobile apps. The basic idea is that publishers, which is the industry's way of referring to website or app owners, offer advertising space that agencies, brands, or ad networks can buy to publish their display, video, or mobile ads. Ad exchanges are important because they make it more efficient and transparent to buy and sell digital advertising. They also help optimize the buying process and maximize profit by using sophisticated algorithms that allow publishers to get the best price for their ad real estate and advertisers to reach the right audience at the right time with the most relevant context. So, rather than negotiating individual buys directly with specific publishers, exchanges enable advertisers to easily buy ads across a range of websites, mobile sites, and mobile apps at once. In many ways, what happens in the ad exchange is similar to an auction that gives advertisers the ability to reach their audiences across a wide pool of publishers. To make this possible, ad exchanges connect demand-side platforms, which advertisers and agencies use to automatically buy ad space, with supply-side platforms, who publishers use to automatically sell space. When a new user enters a web page or app, something called real-time bidding occurs between these platforms, and as the ad space is sold, an ad is instantly displayed. Well, that about covers the basics, but if you want to dive deeper, feel free to check out the links below. Also, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all things digital marketing. That's it for now, I'll see you next time.